Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to customize Shopify store on phone. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So for you to customize or start customizing your Shopify store on your phone, you need to install the official Shopify mobile app. Now to do that, you need to go to Google Play Store and search for Shopify. Make sure that you have the latest version if you've already installed it. Now in this case, we are now ready to edit or customize our Shopify store on our phone. Now what we need to do next here is we need to open it up, log in into our account, and access our store. Now from here, as you can see, there's going to be a few things that we could do here in our Shopify account. Now, in this case, you'll be able to change certain settings on it, details, and products, or even view orders in this specific application here. But the only limitation that you will not be able to do here is edit the site itself. Meaning, if you want to change the banner, images for certain elements or pages or you have for your website, you won't be able to do it via your phone. Now, in this case, there's still a bunch of utility that you could still use for this application. For example, if you want to add a product here, you could go ahead and click on the product icon at the bottom right here. And from here, you could go ahead and click on the plus button to add a new product at the top right. Now, you could also view your orders here. Now, if you want to change like settings or details about your account or your store, you could go ahead and click on the My Store section at the top left here and go to the settings section. Now, in this case, you'll have the option to change your store notifications, security, store details, your plan, your billing, the payment that you have on your Shopify store, your shipping and delivery, taxes and duties, location, apps and sales channel, domains, gift cards, markets, and a lot more. So basically, all of the basic things that you could do on Shopify are available on the mobile app. The only thing that is missing here is the availability of you actually editing or changing the elements that you have on the actual site. But in this case, this is how you customize your Shopify store on your phone. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.